Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me, but whatever. Hey everyone, welcome back. And today I am going to be doing a review and I'm very, very excited. The brand I will be reviewing is Sojos, and these are the most amazing company of sunglasses that I have been sent by the lovely brand that is Sojos, and we are reviewing 4 pairs of sunglasses, and I'm very, very, very excited to show them to you guys. Before I get on to these sunglasses, I just wanted to say hello everyone. I hope you're all surviving quarantine and you're all, by the way guys, is the light too orange or not? Because I've changed my ring light to like an orange light. I hope you guys are coping very, very well, and you know, I hope things are okay with you guys and you're all kind of coping as well as you can with all this. I think the end is near. I feel like the end is near, guys. So we just have to keep going, you know, keep striving and keep, you know, just keep doing what we do, guys. Just doing our own fucking thing. So I hope this ring light isn't too orange. I want to bring you these beautiful sunglasses and I'm very excited. I haven't opened them yet. I've got them right here. I'm very excited for this, guys. Very, very excited. So I want to tell you just a bit. So guys, just to let you know, this video is sponsored. So the lovely Sojos did sponsor this video. So thank you so much for sponsoring and giving me this opportunity to talk about your beautiful sunglasses. If you'd like any of these sunglasses once we are finished looking at them, or any other sunglasses, please feel free to use my discount code for 15% off, which is 21 Fabio Matte. And I'll put it in down here in the description box and obviously on the screen as well. So that's 21 Fabio Matte with 1 T. So you can get 15% off. Now, who wouldn't want 15% off? So that is amazing, guys. So do it, do it, do it. You have to use that code only, otherwise you don't get the 15% off, my affiliate code. Woo woo. So let's get into the haul. So let's get into these sunglasses. So, oh, I'm so excited. So we have 4 pairs. Let's get them all opened. Oh, these are so cool. And these are the sunglasses. They did come very, very fast. The shipping was so fast. And I don't know where they came from. I think it was America. And they just got here so soon. The estimated delivery was supposed to be the 5th of May. But they got here 5 days before. These are the first pair. I don't know which ones these are, but I might need some. Oh, it's fine. I'll just get into that. I will also put the links of these sunglasses in the description box as well, guys. The ones that I have picked out. Oh, these are hot. Oh my God, I love these. Oh my God. I mean, the quality, guys. You can see it. You can feel it. These are heavy. Let's try them on. Oh my God. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. They look so, they look real. They look like these are prescription glasses. They feel so heavy. And do you know what I like about these as well? Instantly, I have quite a large face. So, like a large head. And these really fit really, really comfortably. Sorry, I'm getting a bit worried that it's too orange. Is that better? Shit. I love these, guys. These are so hot. What do you think? Wow. They don't feel flimsy. They feel really comfortable. And these kind of, I'll show you in more depth, guys. I don't want you not to. I love these little, I don't know what these are called actually, but they keep the sunglasses on your nose. Rested on your nose. These look so cool. I love these. Oh my God. I love tortoise. And I think these are so sexy. Very kind of office-like, but also very, just everyday. Really stylish. So that's the first pair, guys, which I am in love with. And they also come with a, oh, I don't know what this is. A blue light test card. What is this? Oh, so this card is to test the lenses to see if these are anti-blue lens. So it says to use the blue light torch to beam the white test area through the lens of the glasses. If the test area doesn't run blue, then this is anti-blue light. This is an anti-blue light lens. This pair. So let's have a look at this one as well, guys. Ooh, these are really cool. I remember ordering these. Oh, these are gorgeous, guys. Let's put these on. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are cute, guys. These are very everyday, like the other ones. Kind of geeky, kind of chic wear. Really like these, guys. Really, really do. And they're very kind of dainty, but they do fit my head shape, which is really strange. Because I normally have a lot of trouble with, you know, my the width of sunglasses. These are so cool. I'm in love. These are very, very sweet. Very kind of Korean, I think. You know, that kind of the cute Korean vibe. Love these. Very, very good quality. Again, with the torch and everything else, which is such a good added kind of touch that, you know, you wouldn't even think that it would include. These are in the grey box. Oh my god, I love these. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Shit. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are my favourite, I think, so far. Look. Oh my god, they're so cool. Don't these look expensive? They feel luxe. And can you see the thickness? These are very heavy duty. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. They feel, do you know when they don't feel flimsy, they feel so robust and like they're gonna last. Very impressed. These have to be my favourite so far. And let's open the last pair. Oh my god. Now these are a pair of sunglasses, aren't they, guys? I am blown away because, like I said, I keep saying this, but I have trouble with sunglasses and they don't fit properly. Sometimes they fit so tight, but these have got such give. They really do. They look fucking incredible. And I love big oversized sunglasses. So these actually are my favourite. They have to be my favourite because I struggle with sunglasses. Like I keep saying this every 5 minutes, but I do. And I always have the problem where they're too tight, so my head feels like it's squashed. But there's so much leeway in these sunglasses. Can you see? They are so oversized. It's like they were made for me, guys. I'm not even joking. These are stunning. Completely gorgeous, guys. Wow. I am so over the moon with these sunglasses. Thank you so much, Sojos, for giving me this opportunity to showcase your spectacular sunglasses. I mean, do I want to say this is my favourite sunglasses collab? I think it might be. I think I might be right, you know. I am stunned. Beautiful. I can't wait to show Chris these sunglasses. Chris? Chris? Oh, he's probably watching TV. But guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I am so in love with these. I can't even believe it. Beautiful. Thank you so much. I mean, look at the engraving. Can you see it says Sojos there? The intricate details are there, guys. And I feel hot. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you're all okay. I hope you've enjoyed my videos. There's more to come. I hope you're not feeling too down with quarantine. Like I said before, the end is soon. And just kind of use this opportunity to, you know, be there with your family. Just give yourself some me time and recuperate. Because once we're back in the swing of things of this world, you know, when we're back to normal, we're going to be like needing another break, if you know what I mean. Because life is hectic. So guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.